Hi all, myself Joyce Joseph from Inspire Online OET Training. Today's video is all about the overall view of OET test and its related information. I would like to put this video for especially for the beginners, those who would like to know more about this OET test in detail. So this video definitely would help them. So let's start it. So what is full form of OET? OET means Occupational English Test. What is OET? OET is an internationally recognized English language proficiency test which is developed specially for healthcare professionals. There are 12 healthcare professions that can take OET test. Okay, it will test your ability to communicate effectively in an English-speaking healthcare workplace through 4 skills. So in OET, there are 4 subtests: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. I already mentioned you that 12 healthcare professions can take up this OET test. So those are dentistry, dietetics, medicine, nursing, occupational therapy, optometry, pharmacy, physiotherapy, podiatry, radiography, speech pathology, and of course veterinary science. Who marks or scores OET? By trained assessors and computers. They will do this job. In reading and listening, there are 3 parts: Part A, Part B, and Part C. In Part A of reading and listening, they are assessed, or this part are assessed by a trained OET assessor. Okay. And in Part B and Part C of reading and listening, the answers that we have written already in the answer sheet, those answers will be scanned and automatically scored by a computer. Okay. And what about speaking? The speaking subtests are scored by at least 2 trained assessors. Okay. By the 2 trained assessors, they will check out your speaking subtest and do this job. Okay. And in writing also, by a trained assessor, they will score your writing. So, where is OET conducted? OET is available at several locations globally. The website indicates available test dates in different locations throughout the year. So, OET itself has a website, and from that OET website, you can take up your own choice of place and date for doing this OET test. Also, you can view your scores and download official copies of statement of results from your online profile on the OET website. While taking your OET exam, you will create one online profile. So on the date of this OET result publishing day, definitely you can download or you can view your score in this online profile. So this is the overview of subtest. I already mentioned you that in OET there are 4 subtests or 4 modules. Those modules are listening, reading, writing, and speaking. This is an overview of these modules. In listening, the duration of the listening is approximately about 40 minutes, and the number of tasks given for you is 3. That means I already mentioned you that Part A, Part B, and Part C. And total questions that comes under this listening is 42. Okay. And in reading, the duration of the reading is 1 hour. That means 60 minutes. In this module also, the number of tasks included are 3 and total number of questions 42. In writing part, the duration of the writing is 45 minutes and the number of tasks given is only 1. That means only 1 writing you have to do. Okay, only 1 writing you have to do, and it is not an Herculean task. Okay, and total questions available 1. Yes, I already mentioned you only 1 letter writing. And in speaking, the duration of speaking is approximately 20 minutes and the number of tasks included are 2 role plays. Okay, in speaking, they will assess your speaking by doing these 2 role plays and the total questions available 2. So this is all about the overview of OET test. I hope you all understand this class, and I welcome all the beginners and all the OET aspirants to our institution. And definitely I will do the remaining classes by explaining each of these modules. Okay, thank you.